Durastill automatic water distiller 8 gallon per day with 4 gallon reserve. While all of Durastill's electric water distillers have excellent features to offer, this one has very few redeeming qualities. First off, it can only store 8 gallons of water per day, which is not ideal for large families. Plus, its reserve tank doesn't hold much water either. Sure, you can use it for a small cabin, but with more options available for a slightly higher price, it would be best to avoid this one. That said, this model is not without its plus points. First off, its automated features are quite user-friendly. Its auto-filling functions in particular comes in very handy. The unit switches on and off to replenish the reserve tank whenever needed. You can also fill this water distiller manually, an option that is rare to find in most models by Durastill. The water flow that this distiller provides is not that great, especially when you compare it to other products by this brand. However, the distillation feature is as efficient as it gets. You will get pure, pollutant-free water without the chemical and plastic smells. Installing this distiller can be slightly tricky. While you will get a guide along with it, the device's build is quite tricky. You may need assistance from a professional for this water unit. Features: comes with a stainless steel evaporator, high-level auto control features, durable faucet. Pros: excellent purification feature, economical. The device also has a manual filling option. Cons: water flow is not consistent, can be slightly tricky to install, does not have enough storage capacity.